Have you ever wondered how some people seem to get richer and richer almost effortlessly, even while they're sleeping? It might sound like magic, but it's not. The secret is a powerful financial concept called compound interest. And in this video, we're going to break down exactly what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to build your own wealth, all explained with simple animations. Ready? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is compound interest? In the simplest terms, it's the interest you earn not just on your initial money, but also on the interest that money has already earned. Think of it as interest on top of interest. Your money starts making its own money. Imagine a small snowball at the top of a very long, snowy hill. As it starts rolling, it picks up a little more snow. As it gets bigger, it picks up even more snow with each roll. It starts slow, but soon it becomes a massive, unstoppable avalanche of snow. That's exactly how compound interest works with your money. It starts small, but over time, it grows exponentially. Let's look at a simple example to see this in action. Suppose you invest $100 with an annual interest rate of 10%. After the first year, you'll earn $10 in interest, bringing your total to $110. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, here's where the magic begins. In the second year, you don't earn interest on your original $100 anymore. Instead, you earn interest on the new total of $110. 10% of 110 is $11. So, at the end of year 2, your money has grown to $121. In the first year, you made $10. In the second, you made $11. That extra dollar might not seem like much, but this tiny difference is the key to why compound interest is so incredibly powerful. It accelerates your earnings every single year. This accelerating effect is what makes compound interest a financial superpower. It's why the legendary Albert Einstein is often quoted as calling it the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Your money's growth isn't a straight, predictable line. Instead, it follows an exponential curve. It starts off growing very slowly, almost flat. For the first few years, you might even feel a bit discouraged, wondering if it's working at all. But then, as time goes on, the curve starts to bend upwards, getting steeper and steeper until it's practically shooting for the sky. The longer you let it work, the more dramatic the growth becomes. Let's put this into a more realistic, long-term perspective. Imagine you start investing just $100 every single month. It's an amount many people can set aside with a bit of budgeting. If you were to invest that $100 a month and achieve an average annual return of 10%, which is historically achievable in the stock market over long periods, the results are staggering. After 10 years, you would have invested $12,000, but your account would be worth over $20,000. Not bad, but let's keep going. After 20 years, you would have invested $24,000, and your account would be worth over $75,000. Now, here's the truly mind-blowing part. After 30 years, your total investment would be $36,000. But thanks to the relentless power of compounding, your account could be worth over $200,000. That's the power of combining small, consistent contributions with a long period of time. It can turn a modest savings habit into a life-changing amount of money. So you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing. How do I get started and make compound interest work for me? Well, the formula for success is actually quite simple, and it boils down to a few key principles. First, and most importantly, start as early as you possibly can. Time is the most critical ingredient for compounding. The more years your money has to grow, the more dramatic the results will be. A 20-year-old who starts investing has a massive advantage over someone who waits until they're 40. Second, be consistent. Make investing a regular habit, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Automating your contributions is a great way to ensure you never miss an investment. Third, be patient and let your money grow for the long haul. Compounding needs time to work its magic. Resist the urge to constantly check your balance or panic during market downturns. Fourth, avoid withdrawing the money. Every time you take money out, you're removing not just the principal, but also its future earning potential. You're taking your snowball off the hill. And finally, reinvest everything. When you receive dividends or interest payments, make sure they are automatically put back into your investment to buy more shares. This ensures that your earnings also start earning, which is the very essence of compounding. Now you understand the incredible power of compound interest. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-for-sure strategy built on discipline and time. It's the simple, proven path that has allowed countless people to build substantial wealth from humble beginnings. The sooner you start, the more powerful it becomes. I hope this simple explanation has been helpful and has inspired you to put the eighth wonder of the world to work for you. If you learned something valuable today, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button, share this video with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-understand financial content just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.